Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to screen record with sound on iPhone 17 Pro and how we can do this. It's quite easy. So what you need to do is follow the instruction properly. So the first one, what you need to do is you have to go over here to the control center like this. Now from here you have to go over here at the top. You can see there is a plus icon, tap on it. Now from here you just need to go over here, tap on and a control, tap on it. And right now you'll be able to find the screen recording here. What you need to do is just tap over here like this. Now as you can see, the screen recording button is added, and once it's been added you can tap anywhere else like this. So this is how it looks. Now what you need to do is, in order to record it with the sound, we need to make sure a few things first. So what you need to do is just go over here, press and hold like this. Now we can see the microphone is turned off by default. So if you wanted to screen record with an audio, what you need to do is you have to tap over here like this. So right now the microphone is turned on. Then what you need to do is you just need to go over here, tap on it. And right now as you can see, the screen recording is in process right now. It is getting screen recorded right now over here. So I'm just going to do something over here like this. And after the screen recording is done, you can just go over here, tap over here like this, just record it, you're done with it. And when you go back over here to the photos or the videos, if you just go over here, if you turn on the speaker over here, so I'm just going to do something over here like this. And after the screen recording is done, you can just go over here. Now the screen recording is being done along with the audio, and this is how we can do this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.